Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chivly's Secret. We do skincare, body enhancement, sex enhancement, lip care, a lot of things on this channel. Please guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be dropping some lists of essential oils. Yes, I know most of us don't know much about essential oils. So today I'll be telling you what essential oil does on the skin and lists of essential oils. So guys, essential oil are obtained from plants. Yes, we get essential oil through plants, different plants, okay, not just one particular plant. We get essential oil from different plants, and these essential oils are used for various conditions. Okay, some people use it as fragrance in their products, and mind you, note this, that without carrier oil you cannot make use of essential oil. Like if you are making use of essential oil, there must be a carrier oil in it to dilute the essential oils. Okay, so now if they ask you what essential oil are, you can be able to define it. Oh my god, guys, please, I'll be back, I have a call. So guys, after watching this video, you'll be able to explain more and understand, okay, what essential oil is. So my own definition: so essential oil are concentrated plant extracts that retain the natural smell or flavor, yeah, from their source. That is the definition I can give of essential oil, guys. So I'll be dropping lists of essential oils. I know we are familiar with lavender oil, tea tree oil. There are still more essential oils that you've not heard of, or you know, but you are not sure if it is an essential oil or not. So in this video I'll be dropping some list, like I'll be dropping 10 of essential oils. So guys, the first one on my list is peppermint oil. Yes, peppermint oil is one of the essential oil. The second one is lavender oil. Yes, it's also an essential oil. The third one is tea tree oil. Yes, tea tree oil is also an essential oil. Guys, the next one is rosemary oil. Yes, it's an essential oil. If you're just hearing it for the first time, or you've heard of it but you're not sure, or you're sure, yes, it is an essential oil. The next one is sandalwood oil. Yes, it's an essential oil. Carrot seed oil is an essential oil. It is. It's carrot seed oil, not carrot oil. Carrot seed oil is an essential oil. Nutmeg oil is also an essential oil. I don't know if this is the first time hearing this. Yes, it is. Nutmeg oil is an essential oil. We also have grapefruit oil. It's also an essential oil. We have a lot, so many. So I listed tea tree oil, lavender oil, sandalwood oil, grapefruit oil. I listed about 10 of these oils. Carrot seed oil is also an essential oil. Yes, it is. Even lemongrass oil too is an essential oil. Yes, lemongrass oil, it is an essential oil. So we have a lot too. We have so many, but this is the top 10 I can recommend for you that yes, I have used and it is okay. I still have lots of essential oil, okay, but these ones are the ones I can tell you, yes, I've used them, I have been using them as my essential oil. So remember, this oil goes together with carrier oil. Guys, I'll be dropping some carrier oils, list of carrier oils, in my next video, but but this one is essential oil. Remember, peppermint oil is also an essential oil, guys. So my next video I'll be dropping carrier oils. So if you want to do any product, make any product for yourself or for your customers, if you cannot get lavender oil, there is tea tree oil. Yes, but have it at the back of your mind that these essential oils has different uses. Like, they have different things they work for. Maybe I will make a video on that, on what lavender oil work for, what tea tree oil work for more. All are essential oils, but they have different things they do on the skin. Maybe I'll create time to explain that later, okay? But for now, I have defined what an essential oil is and lists of some essential oils. In my next video, I'll be dropping lists of carrier oil and what carrier oil is and what they do to the skin. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Bye.